How to turn on back tap screenshot on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Here, scroll down to the end and go to Back Tap. Using Back Tap, you can double or triple tap on the back of your phone to perform actions quickly. Over here, tap on Double Tap. From the System section, scroll down and select Screenshot. Now, go back and double tap on the back of your phone. As you can see, your phone will automatically take a screenshot of the page. You can repeat this to open other apps or tools on your phone as well. Following these steps, you can easily turn on back tap screenshot on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.